What's going on, guys? I'm doing a 20 mil pack opening for Injustice, so let's get straight into it. If you haven't seen how you use Airshoot or how to get it, you should definitely check that out. And you're probably gonna wonder how many coins I have. I really can't tell you to hack, so I don't want to be like that hacking channel. One thing annoying about Injustice, it takes forever. I wish I could skip through this. There you go. Skip through. So 20 mil variety pack. You know what? Yeah, that's it. Before I get into that, let's just put some music to the background. Sorry I have to show you all this. I just don't know how to edit. I'm gonna put dubstep, so if you don't like that, just put on mute, because I'm not gonna be talking. Let's start with Invincible. Now let's go straight into the background opening. I'll be quiet, just enjoy the music, and see ya. Here we go. Let's do some gameplay. I'm going to show you the flash team. Okay then. Nope. I knew that was going to happen. The flash team is really cool because Rebirth, he has this move with more flashes. The more of a chance you can do his special, which I'll show you right now. But instead of Elseworld Flash, try to get better human Flash. Like, bro, why don't you get some more points? Because you have to buy the $20 one. So, the side recharge is really overpowered.
You make me sick.
Look how much health I regenerate that.
Gloves are off.
Use his second move. If his air move, and use the second chest. I try using power. No, it didn't work. It's while he like dodges the move and like does over 10,000 damage with my character and his stats right now. And his second move is really cool. I like it.
Try to keep up.
I missed the last one, I'm sorry. It does like a power drain. I'm just gonna do 3 battles and that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I got some good pulls.
Begin.
I think I'm gonna start a challenge where you guys post a team in the comments. I'll try to get the team for the elite, and then I do gameplay of it, and I think that'd be really cool. Yeah, but this team's really overpowered. Their stats are like so. And reverse flash second move is really cool. So. And the flash team just moves so fast. It's really cool. Let's go destroy. I know that's all he bought. Should I show you his stuff from? Yeah, I'm gonna finish this one. Yeah, he bought it, but I still get to do the fucking. I wonder if you can kill 3 people, but all of them have really low health.
Yeah. Try to keep up.
Oh. Next round, I promise I'll show you his move. Is how it works. See how much harder the teams are? Sorry I didn't let you guys look at the stats really good, but...
Begin.
Oh, special 2. No, I'm just going to use him because his first move does a lot of damage. See, okay. Dodge that. Boom, 10,000. Destroy his health. So, again. Dang it. I'm trying to go to S4 Flash. I don't want him to lose all of them.
You can still quit, you know.
And his move. Oh my gosh, it's so much damage. Can you stop also? No! Come on, sorry. Oh my gosh, did you guys see how much health I just regenerated from that? Oh yes. Give me using the ultimate lift off again. What did I say? You think I'm gonna lose this? See why is this so I screwed it also. Let's see how many kills.
Let's end this quick.
other one. Push him. This kid. Bam. One. Sorry for such a long video, but yeah, I'm gonna start doing gameplay videos like this. Tell me if you want to keep on watching this gameplay or do you want me to make a new one. And nice for knowing you guys. See ya.